Hey man, what you doing?
Oh, I'm cooking.
Oh, okay man, well, I'm just gonna be over there just reading, alright? What was that?
I'm just cooking the food now.
Is it meant to be doing that?
Yeah, it's meant to be doing this.
What are you doing now?
Fruit Loops.
I thought you were making soup.
Cereal is soup.
I guess you're right. Okay, now what are you doing?
Oh, I'm just playing music because everyone knows that playing music makes the food better.
Not sure how that works. Holy what's that?
Oh, that's just a donkey.
I can't do this.